Hi guys, it's me Kira. I'm back onto my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys my new wigs. I got my new wigs from one of my friends. She is selling wig online now, so I have a chance to ask her to give me some free samples. And the other thing is I'm trying to make more video in the future, but I'm still trying to learn how to use my camera. I actually got a new camera, but I still don't know how to operate it, so I'm using my mobile phone to record my video instead of the new camera. Hopefully I can learn how to use my new camera next week or so I can make some more video for you guys. I know some people are really curious about cross-dressing. Like, I still don't know why I'm doing it, but I love doing it. So I hope you guys enjoy my video, and let's go to unbox my new wigs. So now we're going to unbox my new wigs. Let's see what's inside. Okay, we got the first one, that's one, and put it aside. Second one, got two now. Something else. Oh my god, that's three. One more, last one. So what I'm going to do is I will put them on and try and see which one is the best one, and I will give them the rating like out of 10. So before we get started, let's have a look what's the content inside. Let me try this one. Open this first. I like this color. I can see from outside. Okay, this is a purple taro color. Is how they call it. Like, I like this type of color. Milky taro. Sounds like a dessert. So this is the first one. Okay. What's next? It's very messy on my table now. So we have something. Whoa. Very green color. I mean, get stuck. Okay. How do I get this up? Okay. Shit. I will have to chrome them properly. So this is the second one with some green color. Like all this type of color. And then the third one. Okay. Too far. And then the third one is this one. So it's the gray hair, ombre. Okay, let's have a look. Last one. Oh my god, this one is long hair with the bang, the fringe. I don't know how to call this. Yep. So I think you guys will have a better idea when I put this on. So it's long, wavy, brown, auburn. I don't know how to call this color. Yeah, but I will call it brown. So this is the brown wavy hair color. Wavy brown color hair. So yeah, it comes with the fringe. So wait, I look like something else. Okay, it's not too bad actually. If I think, am I too old for this? I don't know. I feel like I look like my mom 20 years ago. Anyways, give it a comb and then just slowly. So yeah, I think I can drop my comb. Anyway, so how do you feel? I will say this one is 6 out of 10 because so itchy. It's tickling my face. Yeah, I don't know. It's not too bad, but I just don't really wear long hair too long now. So, but it does look cute. What do you think? So this is the gray hair one, the ombre gray hair silver. Anyways, so yeah, it's more my style, but because it's not like those expensive ones, so this part is a bit thick. I don't know, but if I pull this way, it still look good. What do you think about this one? I like the color, so I'll probably give it 6 out of 10. It just because it doesn't look too real to me, but to give it a comb, and it does look good in the photos. So I like this one though. Yeah, so what do you think about this one? Okay, this is the green hair one. So I don't know, I don't think it fits my face. So I look like a, I don't know, a green ball or something. But I do like the color, and it's not too bad actually, but I just don't know, I can't describe the feeling that it's just not for me. What do you think? I think I would give it like 5 out of 10 just because I don't get used to the color. And short hair really not really for me. So 5 out of 10. Let's go to the next one. What do you think about this one? I personally love this one so much because it is in purple, and anything in purple will automatically get 2 extra points. So this one I'll give it 10 out of 8 out of 10. Sorry. What's that? Okay, some paper stuck on the head, but that's fine. I do like this one. It look cute, even though I don't really wear short hair, but this one is quite cute. What do you think? Let me get back to my normal hair. Hey, I am back. I have tried 4 wigs. Which one is your favorite? For me, I think the purple one is definitely my favorite because I just like purple. There's no other reason, but compared to this one, I would prefer to use this one much more because this one is a lace one wig. It's much more realistic on the hairline, and there's more room to style my hair. I can even do ponytail with this one, and of course I love the color on this one. What do you think? And then the next thing I want to say is for those cheap wigs, actually very good starting point, like for someone just begin cross-dressing or for whatever reason you just want to try out different hairstyle. That's good. You can buy those wig, no problem, because they won't last too long, you know, 20, 30, even $50, they won't last too long. And so it's very good if you want to just take photos and stay at home, you're not going out, then you should buy those one because no one can seize it. But if you go out with those one, there are very high chance you get spotted for wearing a wig to go out, and you don't want too much attention, or I don't know, maybe someone does. But that's the point I want to say. If for me, because I go out a lot and I can't wear something too cheap, I I don't mean it's because it's cheap, but because it's fake. Um, so I would prefer something more realistic. During winter time, I can wear my synthetic lace front wig. I love lace front wig because it's much more realistic, and I can do more style on my hair. But in summertime, because it's very hot in my city, so I would prefer to use human hair lace wig, lace front wig, or whatever lace wig is. Um, because in my opinion, human hair is more lightweight, more breathable, and for someone like me, I put layers and layers of makeup on my face, so when I got too sweaty, my makeup just got melted and ruining my makeup. So I would prefer to use human hair where in the summertime. They're not cheap, they're like $200 $300 per each, but for me, because I have to go out, I don't have to, but I love to go out, so I would prefer to use human hair wig. But for someone like just started, just staying at home, you just want to take photo or make some video, you don't have to have contact with a lot of people, then those cheap one is the best for you. You don't have to worry about too much. If it get too old, you just buy another one. You don't have to care about it anymore. I don't care about my cheap wigs, honestly. I got my cheap wigs, if it's too old, I just throw away straight away into the bin, no problem. But for my human hair wig, I am very poor, so I still have to take care of them. And I constantly wash them, recondition them, and then that's all I want to say today. I hope you enjoy my video. I